life that there's no direct way to something. There are different ways of doing things, different ways of defining things. But what's really the important part of it is understanding the thing. You can define it however you wish. So just see, please can we raise our hands if you've heard of the word website before? If you've heard of the word website before, raise your hand. I'm sure I've seen a few hands, right? Okay. You've heard of Google before, right? You all know Google. If you don't know Google, raise your hand. If you never heard of Google in your life, raise your hand. Alright, thank you. So we all know Google. Google is a website, right? And we all know what we use Google for. We use to search for things we don't know, to get information about things, right? So basically, a web application is a website that you can perform more functions apart from just reading. When you go to a website, the only thing you can do on a website is read. You can only get information. Do you understand? Yeah. But when you see a web application, you can perform more functions. All our lives, all of us here, we've used web applications, we just don't know. You say you don't know what a web application is. You see something like Google is a website. I'm sure we all know Facebook. Yeah. We all know Facebook, right? Yes, Facebook is a web application. Because if you notice, you have a Facebook account. Right?
Why you like?
But you know what Facebook is?
Yes.
You know what people do on Facebook? Yes. Let's cooperate, let's help each other. We know TikTok, right? Yes. We know Instagram, yes. Snapchat, yes. And the likes. We know YouTube. Yes. So these are applications. So web application is an application you use in your web browser. Just like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, like that. They are all web applications. Because if you notice on Instagram, you can view pictures, you can post a picture, you can comment, you can like. All these are other functions. You are not just reading. You can actually interact with the application. That's what makes it different from a website. Hope everyone is following. If anyone is lost, raise your hand, we'll bring you back. Alright, thank you very much. Next slide, please. So, from what I've explained, I would like to say a show of hands. Just tell me few differences you know between a website and a web application. Just one difference each. Just raise your hand if you want to respond. Just tell me a difference. Don't worry, there's no wrong answer. Feel free to express yourself, and you find out that when you actually answer questions or you ask questions, you learn better. It creates memories in your mind. So involve yourself in this session. And remember, state your name before you answer. So from each person, you tell me one thing that you have in a website, and just one difference between a website and a web application.
My name is Ademola. Website is the site that you can go and search for something. And the web application is you can download web application or Play Store or Apple Store.
Thank you very much. Ademola writes. Alright, thank you very much. That was really, really beautiful. So Ademola says a website is a place where you can search for something, and a web application are more applications you can download maybe on App Store, Play Store, and the likes. Chorus answer. Is Ademola right? Yes. Is Ademola right? Yes. Thank you very much. Next person, please. Tell us your name.
My name is Ademola. Website. Like, according to what you said, websites, we usually go to websites to read and watch. While web application, you can do more than reading and watching.
Thank you very much. Akuti, are you right? Yes. I'll try my best to remember our names. So at least I'll be intentional. I know you are Nicola, Akuti, was supposed to remember me. Adeyola. Thank you very much. All right, so any other person that wants to tell us the difference between website and web application, please, gentleman at the front.
My name is Donald. Websites.
I didn't hear you.
Donald.
All right.
Website. Website and web application. The website always comes with a link. You have to click the link to enter into a website. But the web application is an app that is created and it's always, you can always download this from.
All right. Thank you very much. That was brilliant. This is how we have been running. Also. One more person.
My name is Emmanuel. So the web application is where you consume tasks. Like it's a place, is a website where you consume tasks. While yes, the other one is a place where you perform tasks.
So let me try and rephrase what he said here. When he means consume tasks, something like reading. Task in the sense that something someone has done. A task is something someone has done, right? So if you go to Google, right, what you are reading on Google, someone puts it there. You understand? It didn't wake up one day and fly there by itself. Alright? You see, for example, if you see the word web app, and you're wondering what is a web app, that definition, someone puts it on Google. So by the time you go there and you read it, what have you done? You've consumed the information, right? But he now said a web app is where you can perform information, tasks, right? But for a web application, you consume, which is also correct. Remember I told you, no wrong answers. And so far, have we had any wrong answers from anyone? Please, have we had any wrong answers from anyone? All right, thank you very much. Next slide, please. So here you'll be seeing a few differences between websites and web applications. So first of all, websites. Can we all see the first point? Not everyone. Okay, I'll read it out. First point: the purpose of a website is primarily informal. Meaning, informational. Sorry. Meaning, the main thing you get from a website is information. Websites are mainly used to get information. Next, you have user interaction. On a website, main form of user interaction is one way. Why? Because you are not performing actions, you are only reading. I hope you can follow according to the way I define websites. Do we all understand? The only form of interaction you are performing is reading, watching. You're just viewing. You're not doing any other thing. If you go to Google, anything you search, what's the definition of it? Make it shows you the definition. You can only read it. You can't change it. You ask you that what is a noun. It will tell you a noun is a naming word or whatever, name of an animal, place, or thing. Can you go there and say I want to change the official definition of noun? You can't change it. You can only read it. You have examples, you have blogs, news websites, company profile pages, online portfolios. So we all know, do we all know who Elon Musk is? That's a website. Do you understand? Please, are we all following? I want to get responses. Yes, all right, thank you very much. So, tech complexity, meaning websites are simple, direct, straightforward. Anybody can pick up a website and read what's there, you can understand it. Another thing is, the key trait is that you go there, you get information. Examples, news sites, and the likes. Next slide, please. So now we have web applications. You can see the purpose for web application: perform tasks or provide interactive functionality. You can interact with it. You can do things on it. Remember, website does not allow you to do things. Websites, see them more as websites are stingy. One way. They only care about themselves. It's what it gives you, you collect. If you open a website, what it gives you, you collect. But in a web app, you are the master, you are the alpha and the omega. You are the one you can do as you wish. As I am, if I have a Facebook account, I can decide I want to post my head alone. Nobody else should. You cannot come and beat me for posting my head now. Tomorrow I can decide I want to post my leg. The worst you do is that you complain. You cannot enter my profile and remove it. So I own it. I can do what I like. User interaction, two ways. Input, output. You can do things on it. Examples, you have Gmail. We all heard of emails before. Let me give you an example. Your phone, when you your text message app, it's an application, right? Because you can receive messages, you can read messages you see there, you can send messages. WhatsApp, you can send messages, you can view messages, you can post pictures, post status, a lot of things. They are applications. Do you understand? So all these are applications. You go to it. It is more complex than websites. The websites are simple, but on web applications there are so many things you can do. Very, very complex. Some applications more complex than the other. Please don't have everyone's attention. I don't want to see anyone sleeping. And please, if you're on your phone, please put your phone aside. If you're on your phone, please put your phone aside.
And we take it 5K.
I respect everyone here, and trust me, I would also love if you respect me. To be very honest, rule of mutual respect. I respect everyone here. We have just little time here. We don't. Please cancel more attention so we can go fast. Alright? Is everyone here? Thank you very much. So, examples of applications, I've listed a few, right? Please, can someone just shout any example of application? Thank you. Another one. Thank you. Go on. Very good. All these are applications. Thank you very much. So, all these are applications. Right now, in my session, and you guys are doing things. I'm really impressed. Next slide, please. Alright, so we are going to have some hidden applications. Not really hidden, but blown out. And I would like you guys to just listen to me. So maybe a couple of them, just scroll them. They are simple words, they are supposed to know. Next slide, please. Wow, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. Next one. Thank you very much. You guys are very good. So this Google is a what? YouTube is a what? I can't tell you guys. YouTube is a web application. Can we post videos on YouTube? Yes. Can we watch videos on YouTube? Yes. Can we comment on YouTube? Yes. So what do you call that? Thank you, you guys are amazing. Round of applause for everyone. Next slide, please. So, when it comes to web applications, there are two parts of every web application. There's the front end and there's the back end. Can we repeat that? There's the what? Front end. Okay, good. So, as you are looking at me now, can you see my front? Yes. Can you see my back? So what does that tell you about the front end and back end of an application? Raise your hand, please. Hand, please. Thank you. Please. Try and be audible. Amazing. Please round of applause for her. Does everyone agree with that definition? Yes. That is amazing. Simple and straightforward. The front end of every web application is the part you can see, what you interact with, that's the front. The back, you can't see anything about the back. Let me just give you a hint of what goes on at the back end of an application. Do you remember what we did in our last session? What did we do in our last session? Database goes on at the back end. You understand? As you are, everything has a database. According to what Mr. Ken taught us, do we remember? It's a store for information. In our schools, we all have our report card, our admission letters, everything, right? I think they give it to the exam and records office or the principal's office, wherever. Depending on the school you are. I don't think any of us goes to that office and sees where everybody's document is kept, right? When it is your turn at the end of the semester, whether you did well or you don't do well, your own report card will come out, you see your own results, right? So what you can see is the front end. Everything at the back is where they give everybody something, back end you need sell. You understand?
Yes, sir.
How everything functions, you don't see it. As you are, you don't know how this people collate your scores, you don't know how they do everything. All you just see is the results at the end of the day, right? So that's for the front end. So when you see an application like YouTube, when people upload, you don't know how the video is stored, you don't know anything, you don't concern you. You only shall posted my video. Tomorrow you go, you want to watch the video, right? It's things like databases that manage the back end. It's an example. There are so many things that manage back end. So today we'll be looking at the front end. Next slide, please. So we have front end versus back end. According to what I explained, as you can see, front end, what users see and interact with. And there are certain languages, we call them languages, programming languages. There are a lot of them. When I say there are a lot, there are over 50 programming languages that they use for front end today. But we're going to go with the basics. So is everyone okay with the fact that we're going with the basics?
Yes, sir.
Because I live in an assumption that you cannot assume, it's safer to assume people don't know things than to assume they know. Right? And we are all learning, we are all growing. So the basics of front end are, first of all, HTML. I want us to repeat that. HTML. CSS. JS. Has anyone heard of any of those three before?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone here that has not heard of those three before? Just wave your hand.
The CSS and the JS.
Congratulations, you've heard of them now. Clap for yourself.
No.
Have you heard of it before?
I raise my hand.
Yeah, have you heard of it before?
Only the HTML. I've not heard of the CSS and
Have you heard of it now?
yes.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Congrats. Very good. So, back then we have things like logic, database, just like what Mr. Kenny told us. Authentication. Authentication is in straightforward terms when they say your username and your password. That's authentication. Authentication is there so that sorry, bro. Hello, looking back. What's your name? Yes. Good. What's your name? Yes. So we have authentication so that Miracle will not wake up one day and go to Abuchi's TikTok and enter his account and post a picture all over his pages. That's the whole point of authentication, right? To protect your account. You know that it belongs to me. So that Abuchi's account, because it only knows Abuchi's username and password. If you are not Abuchi, you cannot enter his account except you are a 419 or you are a Yahoo boy. Is there anybody here doing Yahoo? Confess to. Sorry, mistake. Is there anybody here that knows somebody that is doing Yahoo? You say no, you are a liar. You say no, you are a liar. And you are even joining the person to do it. How you say no in this generation, don't anybody doing Yahoo? You are deceiving yourself. Don't do Yahoo, it's not good. It's not good. They'll catch you one day. Even if it's not today, they'll catch you next year. Promise. So, front end and back end, they work together. Remember, I told you every web application has front end, back end, right? They all work together. Today we are focusing on what? Thank you, you guys are amazing. I love the way you guys are doing. Next slide, please. So, things we'll be using today are, what's the first thing you see there? What's the second thing? Thank you. Does anyone know what HTML means? You know it's a short form, right? Does anyone know what HTML means? Your hand up, please, if you know.
My name is Olamide. So hypertext, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language.
Olamide said HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Is there anyone here that thinks Olamide is wrong? have objection now. Or is it that, okay, we don't know it now, so whatever it says is right, anything goes right. And you don't have some time to, the person talk outside, if I don't know, I'll say yes, it's correct. Okay, is there anybody here that doesn't know? You don't know or you're not sure, raise your hand. No, don't be ashamed, we are all learning, please, don't be ashamed. Have I laughed at anybody's sense? Have I shamed anybody's sense? Have I even said anybody's wrong sense? So if you don't know it or you are not sure, raise your hand. Prove, thank you. Clap for yourselves. So Olande was correct, and congratulations, now you know the meaning of HTML. Hypertext markup language. Hypertext. Next slide, please. Hypertext markup language. Cascading style sheet. CSS means cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet. Cascading. 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 Style. STYLE. Then sheet, just like your sheet of paper. SHEET. Cascading style sheet. Then the last one is JS. We all remember that third one, right? JS is JavaScript. So three of them, they have very unique functionalities, right? You guys understand what I'm saying? Very unique functionalities. And I'm going to give you a very good description. We all have skeletons in our body, right?
Yes, we do.
Our bones, you know your bones. That's your skeleton, right? So your skeleton, see it more as HTML. That's what this structure of your web app, website, or whatever, anything on your front end. HTML is like a skeleton. Every item that is there has a framework, has a structure, skeleton. HTML is there. You see something like the search box. That search box, where you type inside, where you want to search on Google, that space you type, and your cursor is blinking, it's with HTML, right? Good. Now, CSS, cascading style sheet, is primarily used for design, ranging from color to arrangement to alignment to so many things. That's what CSS is for, right? And the final one was what? What's the third one? Thank you, beautiful. Round of applause for everybody. JavaScript is used for functionality, performing actions, animations, so many things. In fact, JavaScript today, I'll proudly tell you, just so you know that you are not even the worst programmer on earth. Just we are all programmers, whether you like it or not. There's nobody on this earth that understands JavaScript 100%. Is that it? Am I wrong? There is nobody on this earth that understands JavaScript 100%. It's one of the most complex, yet old, and it seems so simple, but it's very, very complex. Even as a professional myself, I'm learning JavaScript every day. When you get there, you will understand. Don't worry. You understand. So next slide, please. We're going to build our first web app today, or do some work on it. So I want you guys to, on your systems, or your desktop, what do we see on the screen? So we're going to look for this logo on our desktop. I'm not saying you do anything here to look for this logo on your desktop. It's called Visual Studio Code. It's blue in color, and this is what it looks like. So if you can see it, can we shout yes?
Yes!
If we cannot see it, can we shout no? Why are you guys laughing? Like, he said you cannot see it. I know it's laughing. My friend, don't mind them. Go ahead. You can't see it, Abby. Don't mind them. Don't bully. Say no to bullying. Everybody say no to bullying. I'm serious. So say no to bullying. Say
No to bully! No to bully! No.
I'm not here. You all of you are not talking. Say no to bullying.
No to bully! No to bully!
So can we all find it? So I want you to click on it once for your desktop. Click on it once, then press enter. That's right. Click on it once and press enter or click on it first. So it should open, right? Please, what did I call the name of the application? Did I say Visual Studio? Did I say Visual Studio Code?
Yes.
Thank you. What color is it? What color is it? Is it red? Is it purple? Is it orange? Is it blue? Thank you. So now on the same page, right? Thank you very much. So when we open our Visual Studio Code, let's like this. Press it. Next one. Don't worry, it's fine. So on our Visual Studio Code, you see something that looks like this, right? Even if you cannot see something that looks like this, see this top left corner. Are you seeing fine? Okay, are you seeing something like this? Are you seeing these things at the left hand side? Are we seeing these things at the left hand side? Okay. Which of us cannot see these things on the left hand side? Raise your hand if you cannot see it. I said, don't beat that boy. I said, don't bully. You are beating my favorite student. I don't like it. You fight. So, is there anyone that cannot see these things on the left hand side? Please, someone here is the showing on the screen. Please help her check. Have you seen it? You've seen it. Let's say any other person has not seen it. Is there anyone that has not seen this? Please let us know because I want to carry everyone along. By the left hand side, these icons, they are called icons. Can we see them? Thank you very much. So, I'm not saying you should do anything, but I asked a question. Can we all see things on the left hand side? Thank you very much. So, from the things on the left hand side, that very first thing you can see, the very first one, where the cursor is on, can you see that icon? Yes. We all have that on our own, right? Yes. So, click on it, please. When you click on it, what do you see? Please raise your hand if you can see open folder. Please raise your hand if you can see open folder. If you cannot see open folder, raise your hand. When I said you can see open folder, there were so many hands that went down. I said you cannot see, nobody's hand is open again. You should not do me while you. I see open folder. So, is there still anybody that cannot see open folder? Thank you, we're all on the same page. You guys are amazing. So, you are going to click on open folder once, just one click. When you click on open folder, something is going to open, right? That thing that opens, are you with me? That thing that opens by the left hand side, can you see documents? Can we see documents? Can we see documents? Thank you. Click on documents. So something is going to open again, right? Very good. Now the place that opens, that space where you are, just find empty space inside that place and right click. We all know what right click is. Who remembers how Mr. Mike taught us how to create a folder? Do you remember what a folder is? Do you remember what a folder is? So we put our cursor on a free space and we right click, right? When you right click, we look for what? Like, Mr. Mike will be proud. I wish Mr. Mike was here to see this. Oh, he's here. He's jubilating. Thank you. So when you click on new, the next thing you click on is what? Thank you. Click on folder. You guys are amazing. We're going to name our folder. When you click on folder, just type FOHI. FOHI. And then you click on folder. FOHI. Remember, when I tell you click, that's when you click. If I don't say click, don't click. If I say press enter, that's when you press enter. You can't press enter when I don't say you press enter. I will not walk around to your screen and be helping you. You just be looking at everybody. So, have we all typed F-O-H-I? And press enter. After you press enter, we have a new folder called what? Thank you. So, click on F-O-H-I once. Click on F-O-H-I once. Have you done that? Then at the bottom, you will see what? Select folder. Can we see select folder? Can we see select folder? Click on select folder. Thank you. It will go back to your VS. It will go back to your what? What's the name of the application again? Thank you very much. Are we seeing something like this? Are we seeing something like this? If you are not seeing something like this, say I. Eh? Jesus is Lord. Where's your FOHI folder? Did you create your folder? So, are we back on our Visual Studio Code? Yes. It's either you see something like this or you don't see something like this. No worry. If you see something like this, you are safe. If you don't see something like this and you are on Visual Studio Code, you are still safe. You understand? It means your Visual Studio Code trusts people. That this is just asking if you trust the code. That is nothing with you. So if you are seeing something like this, press yes, I trust the authors, or I trust authors, or whatever. Just click yes, I trust authors. That blue button. That's if you saw something like that. But if you did not, you are still okay. Alright? Are we all on the same page? Are we all on the same page? So as long as you see get started with VS Code, or you see Visual Studio Code, or you see something like get started, you are fine. So is there anyone that is not seeing get started? Okay, you are seeing it. Thank God you are fine. Thank you for letting us know you are fine. Alright, so the next thing, on the left hand side, can we all see FOHI? On the left hand side, can we all see FOHI? Put your mouse on top of the FOHI. Don't click it, oh. You can't click it, your own. Put your mouse on top of the FOHI. Put your mouse on top of the FOHI. When you put your mouse on the FOHI, do you see all these icons that appear at the right hand side? How many are there? How many are there? I think I heard someone say 8. Who is seeing 8? Who is seeing 4? Where behind you are seeing 4? If you put your mouse on the first one, call out what you see there. When you put your mouse on the first one, what name is there? New what? Thank you. Click on it. New file, the first one. So when you click on the new file, you see a blinking cursor, right? Are we all seeing a cursor? Are we all seeing a cursor? Write your name there. Just write your first name. Your first name alone. Only your first name. No press enter. Only your first name. Write your first name. Has everyone written their first name? Yes. Has everyone written their first name? Yes. What's your first name? Oh, Korosi, what's your first name? I can't hear you. Alright, so after your first name, Write dots, like full stop, dots. We all know where full stop is, right? Yes. Write dots. After you write dots, write your first name, then write dots. Do we remember what we said is used for front end? What were the three things that we said we are using to design front end? What was the first one? I can't hear you. What was the second one? What's the third one? So for this one, we're writing HTML, small letters. I know some of you like capital letter every time. Want yourself, oh. Small letter, if I see your screen and I see capital letter, wait, I want trouser. I'm not saying you should put space, so your name dot HTML. Don't put any space. No, everything is small letter, please. Small letters, please. Make sure your name is starting with small letter. If you are not going to write capital letter, just backspace everything, please. Backspace everything and please write small letter. Small letter, your name is small letter dot HTML is small letter, no space. Your name dot H for us, T for tire, M for miracle, L for Lide. So your name dot what? I can't hear you. Thank you. Now press enter. Press enter. Have we all pressed enter? Have we all pressed enter? Okay, who has not pressed enter? Who has problem? There's always problems. So after you have pressed enter, if you don't see your name.html under FOHI, is there anybody that cannot see their name.html after pressing enter? Click on FOHI once. Have you seen your name? Your name.html is not there at all. And you type it and you press enter. Are you sure? Is there anyone that is not seeing their name.html? It's going to have a yellow, a red, orange, open bracket, close bracket in front of it. That's the HTML logo. So is there anyone that doesn't have their name.html yet? Raise your hand if you don't continue. So we all have our names.html, right? So you have your first HTML file. In your first HTML file, is it empty? By the right hand side, can you see something like open? Can you see your cursor blinking, Abi? You can see your cursor blinking, Abi? So what I want you to do is that you hold control. That control button, press it down, hold it down. Then you press letter A once. Don't move your mouse, just hold control and press letter A once. Have you done that? Hold control, press letter A and press backspace once. Have you pressed backspace? So if nothing changed and you are just seeing open chat, blah 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 blah, don't worry. That thing is not really there. It's just a placeholder. I'm just trying to make sure your ID is clear. Okay? But there are some people that have code in their own by default. So if your stuff is just showing open chat, control plus blah 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 blah, ignore it. So you are safe, right? You all press control A and we press backspace. So do we have something like this? Just have it right up there. Alright, so moving forward, can you switch back to the slide? So, next slide, please. Okay, so what we can see here on step 1, the first thing we can see here on step 1, we call it a tag. In HTML, we have things we call tags. What did I call them? What did I call them? What did I call them? Tag. T-A-G. A tag. T-A-G. We have different types of tags. And the type of tag you put determines the element it creates. You understand? Please, where I have one now, so I can hear some people chatting, please. And we all focus. So we don't draw the class back. So we have various types of tags. So the first type of tag we are going to learn about is called a header tag. What did I call it? What did I call it? Header tag. And it is represented by the letter H and the number value, because we have different types of headers. We have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. You might be wondering now why the numbers. It means the size. H1 is the biggest header, all the way down. So if you keep doing it, it gets smaller. You will understand. So H1 is big, H2 is smaller, like that, like that. So in our, let's go. So can we see what is written here? Can we see what is written here? So let's switch back to our. Sorry, okay, we're on our Visual Studio Code. Sorry. Good. So first thing, we're going to write H1 tag there. Good. So can we see what is here? The beauty of it is that you only have to write the left hand side. The second part will come out by itself. So less than sign. Is that less than? Yes. Less than H1, small letter O, then greater than. Less than H1 and greater than. Immediately you press greater than, the second part will come out. Just start typing. Less than H1 and greater than. Raise your hand if the second part came out by itself. Are you raising your hand for star or you are telling me to come out? Less than H1 and greater than. Raise your hand if it came out. Raise your hand if it came out. Okay, if it did not come out, raise your hand. It did not come out. Less than H1 and greater than. Who be greater than? Did it come out? Less than H1 greater than. Did it come out? So less than H1 greater than. So are we on the same page now? Good. Now, see where the cursor is in between the H1 and the H2. Can you see where the cursor is? At that place, I want you to write letter G inside, capital G. Write capital G. I see where it is on the Excel, on the slide, capital G. In between, can we all see where it is? Put capital G there. Have we all put capital G? Have we all put capital G? I can't hear you. Have we all put capital G? Very beautiful. Next slide. Thank you. So we are going to proceed. So go to the next line. If you don't know how to go to the next line, just put your cursor at the end of this line. Just put your cursor after the last greater than sign. And press enter. You go to the next line. Have we all done that? Have we all done that? So what we just did before, can we do it again? But this time, I want you guys to spell out Google. So the next line, I want to have a O inside it. The next line, I want to have a O inside it, just like this. Capital letter. Okay, small letter O, small. Make it small, don't make capital. Just the first one should be capital G. So do what we did before, but I want a O inside this time around. Then go to the third line, put another O inside. Then the fourth line, when you put your H tag, put a G inside. Are we all together? Then the next one, put an L inside, an L. Then the last one, an E. Are we all on the same page? Is anybody lost? Okay, and everybody see what is on the board? Can everybody see what is on the screen? Can we see what is on the screen? So after your O, G-O, you go to the next line again. You do it again. So I want us to spell out Google. Google. Are we making progress? Are we spelling it out? Even if you are not done, just use one hand to wave that you are spelling it out. Is there anybody that is struggling? If you are struggling, raise your hand so we can offer help. You are struggling. Thank you. I have 2 people. Thank God. So please, are you doing it?
I'm coming.
Is that second genomics to be capital? It's only the first G that is capital. All the rest is
So is anybody that is still struggling? Do we have, okay, if you do not have what we have on the screen, if you don't have that, raise your hand. What we have on the screen, if you do not have that, raise your hand.
I'll help you.
Do we all have this on our screens? I can't hear you. Please, the response is done. I'll leave. I said I'll leave. Someone say yes, sir. So you hate me that much? Alright, so do we have this on our screens? Do we have this on our screens? Next slide, please. So, no, don't be scared, don't be scared. I'll explain it to you. You remember when I told you that HTML is for what? Who remembers? Who remembers what I said HTML is used for? I can't hear you. I'm hearing framework, I'm hearing structure. Are those correct? They are correct. What did I say CSS is for? I'm hearing a lot of very, very beautiful answers and they are all correct. Thank you very much. It shows me that you are following. So now we're going to apply some CSS to what we have done. What we did before was HTML. So now we're going to apply some CSS. So what you do is that, remember that first H1 that we wrote? Can you remember? The first H1. The first H1, the very first one. After the one, put your cursor after the one. Put your cursor after the one. Just carry your mouse and click after the one. That please just click and check them. After the one, then press space. I don't say you should type space, so don't type O. Press your space bar. After the one, press your space bar, right? Then I want you to type STYLE, style. Small letters, please. I know a lot of you love capital letters. Some of you, your caps lock is on permanently. Please. turn off your caps lock. I want you to type STYNE. Do as I say, don't go and do what I don't say you should do. Some people are very saying equals to. Even my able presenter said he has gone and put it off. Just be embarrassing so much. STYNE. Have we typed that? Space. Put space. STYNE. I say your password after that. So STYNE. Then when you press STYNE, I want you to press equals to. We don't know what equals to is now. After the one, I said press space bar. Abi. After the space, STYNE. Style. Then press equals to immediately. I don't want space. Have you pressed equals to? When you press equals to, something come out? Yes. Something come out? So something will come out like this, like a double quote, right? Did I hear no? If your hand did not come out, raise your hand. My friend, your hand did not come out. Don't mind them to come out. Someone laughed at me. So you have to learn to follow instructions. When I say space, be of space. If I say equals to, say to come out. So moving forward, what I'm going to write next, please go back to the presentation. So we're going to write COLOR with a colon after small letter. Remember, don't write capital letter if I don't tell you to write capital letter. Because I know some of us, you love capital letter. Inside that double quote that came out when you press equals to, in the middle of it, write COLOR. So type COLOR. Have you done that? Then put column. You know what column is? That dot column. Please put the column there. Have we put it? Maybe you press the column. Have you pressed the column? Have you pressed the column? Then press space. Space bar. I don't type space, so I don't say type space, so your space bar, create a space. I think we understand that one. Because some people gonna type SPAC. So after the column, put space. After the space. After the space, are you guys listening? Do I have your attention? Is anybody tired? Is anybody hungry? Yeah, yes. Did I hear yes? Jesus. I'm going to give a special prize to the person that will be able to correctly. When I say correctly, I said there's no wrong answer. Right? There's no wrong answer, right? There are a lot of correct answers, right? Good. I'm going to give a special prize to the person that can perfectly answer my big question at the end of today. I want us all to pay attention. Right? I want us all to do what? I want us all to do what? What was the last instruction I gave? You are following, you are following. So after our column, I want you to type hash. We all know where the hash key is, right? First time is going to be above number 3, right? So you press shift and you press number 3. So hash. After hash, number 4, press 4. As I'm saying this, I want you guys to chorus it. 4, 2, 8, 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, F. Don't worry, you can use small letter F. Use it, small letter F. I'm not saying you should use it. F. After F, what's the last one? What's the last one? After pressing that, did a color appear? Did a color appear? What color is that? Color what? Color what? F don't say red. What's that? Head red. Are you joking? So can we all see color blue? The response is getting dull. I'm not happy. Can we all see color blue? So what was the first step we did? You know style, right? You know style, right? Wow, some people are following though. Some people are following though. Wow, I'm impressed. Clap for yourselves. So the first thing we did was that we went to the 1. In the H1, we went to the 1. Do it in the line 2. We went to the 1. We pressed space after the 1. Then we typed what? After the star, what did we do? When we press equals to, the double quote appeared. Then inside we type what? After color, column. After color, column. After the column, after the column, then what? Ash. After the ash, this time around, we are going to type. Read after me. E. Remember, you can use small letter. E. You repeat it as I'm saying it, because we are doing this because we are doing it for everyone. There are some people that might not be following, but when everyone is chorusing, they will not get the letter wrong. E. A. 4, 3, 3. That's how many threes? 2 3s. 5. Can we repeat it? So we have EA4, 3, 3, 5. Did the color appear? Yes. Did the color appear? So did the color appear? Yes. What color is it? Yes. What color is it? Yes. It looks like orange. I understand. Don't worry, it's fine. Red looks like orange, right? They are very close to each other, right? Yes. You can create orange from red, right? Yes. So don't worry, it's fine. You can just say color, and color is not yellow. Yes. And it's not green. And it's not black. Don't worry. You're fine. Are we seeing the color? So do we remember we did the first one and the second one? Do you remember the first one and the second one? So can we see the third one on the board? Can we see the third one on the screen? All right, so are we following? Yes. So for the third one, the code for the third one, F B C 0. I can't say O. 0 5. Did you say color? Did you say color? So we have 3 colors now, right? So can we follow us on the screen and complete the colors, please? Follow us on the screen and complete the colors, many letters. See, can we try and be our brother's keeper? It's not fair if someone is having issue beside you and you have gotten it already and you are there and waiting for you to come and check your own and say you are correct and someone beside you is struggling. It's not fair. Because most times, I'm sure some of us, we know the solution to our brother's problem. Alright, so can we please complete it? If you have written off, if you have put CSS on all 6 letters, raise your hand. It's on this side that you people will be vexed. What's going on here? Please raise your hand if you have put all 6 letters. Keep your hand up, oh. Raise your hand if you are having issue. No, if you have put color on all 6 letters, raise your hand. Don't drop your hand. Raise your hand if you are having issue. So you, she's having issue beside you. Yeah. So have we put colors on all 6 letters? Yes. Have we put colors on all 6 letters? Have we put colors on all 6 letters? I can't hear you. You're not having issue. Okay, you are doing it. Okay, you are doing it, no issue. Okay, you guys are trying. Amazing. Clap for yourselves. As everybody's following. So far, we've made use of HTML, yes or no? We've made use of CSS, yes or no? We've made use of JS, yes or no? No. Thank God you are following. Not our young yes. Alright, so far, next slide please. No, don't worry, we are still it won't clean. Alright, so for those of you still writing the codes, no, you see the code, it's fine. So the next thing I'm going to teach you about, there's something called a div. What did I call it? A div. D-I-V. D'accord. Ini. Violet. D-I-V. A div is known as a parent container. It's like a container. Do you all remember the main folders? What folders are? What did Mr. Mike say a folder is? It's used to keep a what? It's used to store files, right? A div is used to store tags. Remember, H1 is a tag, right? What's the meaning of H1? What's the meaning of H tag?
H tag.
Eh?
H tag.
I can't hear you. H, what does it stand for?
Header tag.
Thank you. Header tag. I'm sure we all wrote that down. So a div works like a folder. So what do you do in a folder? You put files inside them, right? So in a div, you store tags inside them. Tag, 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 tag. Tag. Right? So what we are going to do is that, you see that your H1, that your first H1. Your first H1. Your first H1. Carry your cursor to the beginning of your code. Carry your cursor to the beginning, that your first H1. Carry your cursor to the beginning, your very first H1. Carry the cursor right before that less than sign at the beginning. Can we see where the cursor is on the screen? Yes. Put your cursor there and press enter once. It has gone to the next line, Abby. Yes. Has it gone to the next line? Yes. Everything has gone. So your line 1 was free, right? Yes. So press up arrow, put the cursor back on line 1, on that free empty line 1. That line 1 that is very empty and beautiful, put your cursor there. Is your cursor there? Yes. While your cursor is there, we're going to create a div tag. So to create a div tag, less than sign. Less than. Don't typo, that less than, that's it. Less than sign. Have you typed the less than? Yes. Then type D-I-V, small letters. That's it so far. I don't beg you guys to use anything capital. If I see your thing, I see capital, you chop no. Because some people know the year word. I don't say I'm tired, I just want to talk. Small letter D-I-V. After you put the D-I-V, what are we going to write next? Who knows?
Space.
No, I'm not going to write space soon. Who knows? Thank you very much. So we're going to put the greater than sign. Immediately you put the greater than sign, did something appear? Yes. Did I hear no?
No.
Because I know some people do not appear. Let me go and check that person that doesn't used to appear. So do we all have something I did on the screen? Yes. Can we see the div? Yes. So the very first, the left hand side is called the opening tag. The right hand side is called the closing tag. You see the difference between both of them is that the one at the left is just less than div greater than. The one on the right has something inside it, like a slash. Can we see that? That slash is what you use to indicate a closing tag. Opening tags don't have slash. closing tags have slash. Did you notice that in the H tag?
Yes.
Did you notice that in the H tag?
Yes.
So when your cursor is in between the two tags, see that place in between the two divs. Put your cursor between the two divs. Can you see what it is on the screen?
Yes.
Put your cursor there and press enter once. So do we all have something like what's on the screen? Our div has opened, right? So now we are inside our folder because our cursor is in between our opening tag and our what? It's in between our opening tag and our what? In between our opening tag and our what? Thank you very much. So what we're going to do now is very simple. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Can you remember that closing tag of the div?
Yes.
Just put your cursor on the closing tag. That's on line 3, Abi. Is it on line 3?
Yes.
Our closing tag is on line 3, right? Yes. Put your head no. Okay. Please, it should be on line 3. Please. Alright. So our closing tag is on line 3. Put your cursor there. Do we all know where the Alt key is?
Yes.
Alt.
Yes.
Can you see the Alt key on our keyboard?
Yes.
Can we see the Alt key? Yes. Press am down. Just hold am down there. No release am o. Can you hold the Alt key down? Yes. When you hold Alt, keep pressing the down arrow. That down arrow key. Press it. Just keep pressing it. The div will be going down, down, down till you get to the bottom. Can we do that? Hold the Alt key down, then keep pressing down arrow. That div will keep shifting all the way to the bottom. If you press it, the div will shift all the way to the where? Hold Alt. After you hold Alt, the down arrow key that is pointing down. Down arrow key, down. You have 4 arrow keys. There is up, left, right, and down. Arrow key that is pressing down. So hold Alt, put your cursor on that div, hold Alt, and the down arrow key. Keep pressing the down arrow key until the div gets to the bottom. Have we done that? Can you wave your hand if you've done that? I'm seeing so many hands now. Are we tired? We're almost done, no? Are we tired? Are we tired? Are we tired? Almost done, don't worry. Alt and down arrow key. So our div is at the bottom. So as you notice now, the Google we created is inside our div, right? The Google we created is inside our div, right? The Google we created is inside our div. Do we have something like this? Yes. Very good. So at the top, line 1. What? You have space, Abi? Yes. If you have space, don't worry, it's fine. You are safe. But you shall have something like this. Yes. If you have extra, if you have this and you have extra space, you are safe, don't worry. Other arrangements, don't worry. If you have something like this and you have space, you are safe. Alright. If Even if you don't have space, you are safe. Don't worry. The space is for special students. Okay, we are all special students, are you? Everybody get space. If you don't get space, then are you special? Alright, so the next thing we are going to do, we go back to line 1, right? We go back to where? We go back to where? You put your cursor after the V for violin. Put your cursor after the V. I not say that noise create space, so after the V, put your cursor, V for violin in line 1. Then press space bar. Press your space bar. When you press your space bar, I want you to now type after me. STYLE, style. Remember I said I want to do CSS, we go first press style. What did I tell you CSS stands for? Who remembers? Please, thank you very much. CSS is cascading style sheet. So we have the word style. So every your code so far that you see style, just know you've done CSS. You understand? So write style. So after your V, you have space. Then you write what? You write what? You write what? So after your stop, just press equals to. Remember how you dey work now. I don't tell you book color inside though. After the equals to, you see those double quotes, right? Thank you. Inside, I want you to write display. D-I-S. By writing display. D-I-S-P-L-A-Y. Display. D-I-S-P-L-A-Y. Then put a column. After the column, write display, put a column, then press space bar. Have you pressed our space bar? Have you pressed our space bar? After the space, write flex. F-L-E-X. So we written display. After display, column. After column, what? Who said flex after column? See, mind yourself. After column, we have space. After space, we have what? F-L-E-X. So what that means is that we're trying to configure how our display looks like inside that div. Flex means left to right. Another type of display we have is block. You understand? You can write it down. Flex means left to right, the arrangement. So if you have items, are you listening? If you have items, normally the way these items are arranged, what you are seeing, it's called a block arrangement. Because if we run our code, switch to the presentation. If we run this code normally, without that display flex at the top, exactly the way this thing is arranged, from the G-O-O-L-G-L-E, like that vertically, that is how it will appear on your web page. That's a block arrangement. But with CSS, you can style it to flex. Who remembers how Google homepage looks? You see the G-O-O-G-L-E written out, right? Yes. Left to right. Yes. That's a flex arrangement. So right now, after the flex, you put a semicolon after the X. After the X, put a what? After the X, put a what? After the X of flex, put a what? Semicolon. Can we wave our hand if we are there? No, we are moving. If you are seeing any red or red line or whatever in your code, raise your hand. Are you seeing red line? No red lines. So, are we all together? Are we together? So, I want to tell you guys this. I have a confession. Please switch back to the presentation. I have a confession. You know that right now you have created your very first, for those of you for the first time, combination of HTML and CSS. Who would like to see the result of what you've done so far? Where if you would like to see the result of what you've done? Who is anxious to see the results? Thank you. So do you remember that stuff at the left hand side in your VS Code? I remember that file. I remember that file. Do you remember that thing at the left hand side? At the left hand side, the very first thing there, when you put your cursor or your mouse on it, what does it say? The second thing under it, what does it say? The one that is like hourglass, what does it say? Sorry, hourglass, magnifying glass, thank you. It says search, right? The third one, what does it say? I can't hear you. The fourth one, what does it say? Run and what? Click on, press on. That run at the bottom, now you will find. So, after you press that fourth one, you see something that is written there. Run and click on it. So when you click on it, what did it show? You see something at the top, right? That very first one. Whether web app, Chrome or whatever. But you can see web app, right? You say web app because it already knows you are creating a web app. So you see web app, Chrome or whatever, the very first item, click on it. When you click on it, what did it say? Most of us, I know some of us know, we still don't see it. I know some of us want to know right. So can we all see what is on the screen? Can we all see what is on the screen? browser? What can we see on our browsers? What can we see on our browsers? Please, what can we see on our browsers? Can we see Google? Does it look like the Google you know? So can we see Google? I can't hear you. Can we see Google? Can we see Google? So, please, do we have something? Because I know some of us are putting our names. Some of you want to show that you understand it already, and I'm impressed. The fact that you can put your own name there and it's colorful, you can clap for yourselves. The fact that you can put your names there and it's colorful, you can do what? Clap for yourself. So you have your browser open like this. Close your browser. Press the X. Close your browser, please. So let's go back to your Visual Studio Code. Close your browser, the X at the top right corner. Close your browser, the X at the top right corner. Can we all close our browsers? Please, close your browsers. You know some people, the people that they always not even Google. I'm seeing Osin, I'm seeing Robert, I'm seeing Aisha, and the nice please. Close the door. I'm seeing Beauty. I mean, close your browsers, thank you. So when we're back on our Visual Studio Code, we have something like this, right? We have something like this. I want you to go to the last line at the bottom. Go to the end of the last line at the bottom. Are we at the last line at the bottom? Are we at the last line at the bottom? After the last item of the last line, that's after the greater than sign. At the end there, press enter once. Press enter once. Have we pressed it? After pressing it, I want you to less than sign. Less than sign. Sorry. We press enter, right? Less than sign. After you press less than, I want you to type input. I-N-P-U-T. Have I told you to type any big letter? It is big letter, I'll tell you, no worry. Input. I-N-P-U-T. Type input. I-N-P-U-T. After you type input, I want you to put a slash. If I take away the slash first, go now wait. After the input, remove the slash. Don't do that slash yet. After the input, press space bar. Don't type space, so create a space bar. After you create your space, after you create your space, type T-Y-P-E. Write it. T-Y-P-E. Type. After type, put equals to. After the equals to, those will come out again, forget to put something. When it comes out, inside you can write text. T-E-X-T. Inside those double quotes, write T-E-X-T. Are we written that? Like this, T-E-X-T. Then your right arrow key, so it's go outside that quote. Just press your right arrow key once. Or put your cursor after the quote, just after it. After that, put a space. Have you put the space? Have you put the space? When you put the space, put a slash, this kind of slash. Just put the slash there. That kind of slash I show you in that your div closing tab. In line 8. Put that slash. When you put the slash there, put the greater than sign. Have you put the greater than sign? Have you put the greater than sign? Who knows what we've just done? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't be scared of wrong answer. I want someone that's not spoken says, be courageous. Raise your hand if you know what we've just done. Okay, if you don't know what we've done, raise your hand. If you know, you know the raise hand. If you don't know, you don't raise hand. Which one you want?
You don't know it.
We know the reality.
We
know it.
Alright, so what we've done is that we've created an input box. You know when you go to Google page, there's a place that you type inside. That place where you type inside is called an input box. There are different types of input boxes. There's text, there's number. Somewhere where you can type like your phone number or your age. There's number, there is dates. You know you go to some website and you see something like a calendar where you can pick dates. I remember. So what we'll do is that go to the next line, press enter, create that inbuilt tag again, but this time around in that time, instead of text, I want you to put number there. Just put number instead of text, create that inbuilt again. Just like the first input. Remember, less than sign. Then you type input. Then space. Type. Equals to. This time around put number inside. Are we putting the number? Okay, are we putting the number? I'm still doing it. So, we're going to do one more. One more. Go to the next line. Open the brackets. Type input again. But this time around, this time type, we're going to put dates. Have we put the dates? Like this. You do it again, but this time around, we're putting dates. So have we put the dates? So now that we have put the dates, do you remember how we ran it the other time? You can see your run and debug, right? Can we see our run and debug? Please go and click on the run and debug. Have we clicked on our run and debug? Do we all have something like this? Do we have something like this? Alright, so the very first one, what was the type of the first one? Can we remember? What was the type of the first one? Text. I want you to write your name inside. The very first input box there, write your name inside. Please write your name inside. The second one, I want you to try and write your name inside and tell me what happens. The second box, write your name. Are you able to write your name? Write your name inside the second one. No, write it. Your name later. You no go. It's not going. Does anybody know why? Does anybody know why? If you know why, raise your hand up. If you are paying attention, you should know why. If you know why, raise your hand up. Okay, if you don't know why, raise your hand up. Go and pick inside now. You don't know. You know. Both of them answer down. Okay, your name is not going because you define the input field as a what? Is your name a number? No. I want you to write 20 inside. I want to say age, but I know some people don't want to write my age. Write 20 inside. I don't say I'm 20. Write 20 inside the second one. Write 20. Is 20 a number? Yes. Did it enter? Yes. Very good. The third one is what you call a date picker. It's used to capture dates. Can you see this thing on your own? Yes. Can we see this? Yes. This logo, click on it. A calendar will open. Yes. Are we seeing a calendar? Yes. Just pick any date inside the calendar. The date will appear in that input. Click on any date. Did the date appear in the input? Did the date appear in the input? Now I have a question for you. So far, what have you built? Have you built a website or a web app? I can't hear you. A website? Have we built our first website? I'm hearing yes, so now I have a question for you. This D, your name that is there, did you meet it when you opened it? Was it there when you opened it? Who put it there? So is it a website or a web app? Is it a website or a web app? I can't hear you. Is it what? A round of applause for anybody that has built a web app today. So big congratulations to you all. You built a very first web app. Even though it's very small, but you have built letters. You use CSS to add color. You added styling. You have been able to arrange it. You added input field for text, number, and what? Thank you very much. Text, number, and what? So congratulations everybody. This brings us to the end of our very first web application. Well done guys, you guys are amazing. Very, very amazing. I'm impressed by you guys. I'm very, very impressed. Thank you very much guys. Any questions? No questions. So you guys understand? Jesus. I think that you want to go. I'm taking just 2 questions, please. 2 questions. 2 questions.
my question is that, as you told us that on the web app, that it's like what we are seeing there, we are actually the one visiting there. So, is it possible to build a website on a web application? And that's how I want it.
So, who remembers the very first thing we created? That Google, right? When you created the Google, as you opened your browser, you just saw the Google there, right? What you saw there was a website. You understand? First we created a website, then we made it into a web app. Because we added inbuilt boxes that we could add in. Any other questions? Alright, thank you very much, guys. You guys are amazing. Round of applause for everybody. A round of applause for Mr. D. A round of applause for Mr. D. A round of applause for Mr. Mike. A round of applause for Mr.